Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we're looking at the 4 best security software for Windows 10, and in this video, I'll be breaking down one of the top apps on our list. Now let's get started. At number 4 on our list is Microsoft PC Manager. This app has a rating of 4.4 stars and 75 reviews on the Microsoft Store, and it's designed to effortlessly enhance your PC's performance with just one click. Its main purpose is to help you keep your system running smoothly while managing storage and files efficiently. Here are 3 standout features of Microsoft PC Manager. One-click optimization. Clean and boost your PC's performance instantly with a single click. Storage cleanup. Easily free up disk space by removing unnecessary files and cache. Efficient file management. Organize and manage your files and apps to maintain a smooth system. Now, let's take a quick look at the app's interface. On the home screen, you can see an overview of your PC's health, including storage status, performance alerts, and quick optimization options. Next, in the Protection tab, the app shows tools to safeguard your system, highlighting potential risks and security checks you can run. Under Storage, you get a clear view of your disk usage and options to clean up unnecessary files, making it easy to free space quickly. The Apps section lists all installed programs, giving you simple controls to manage or uninstall apps with minimal effort. Finally, the Toolbox provides access to additional utilities, like system optimization tools and file management features, all organized neatly for easy navigation. At number 3 on our list is Microsoft Defender. This app has a rating of 4.0 stars and 20 reviews on the Microsoft Store. Its main purpose is to simplify your online security, keeping you and your family safer by protecting identities, data, and devices from online threats. Here are 3 standout features of Microsoft Defender. Device protection. Works with built-in Windows security to provide extra antivirus protection across PC, Android, iOS, and Mac devices. Identity and credit safety. Helps keep your personal information and credit details secure while online. Family security. Provides an easy way to safeguard your entire household with a single app. Now, let's take a look at the app's interface. When you click on the 3 dots in the top corner, you'll see a simple menu that guides you through additional options. In Privacy and Data, the app displays settings that let you control how your personal information is handled, giving you clear control over data sharing and protection. Under About, you can quickly check app version details, subscription status, and other relevant information, ensuring your Microsoft Defender app is up to date and fully functional. The interface is designed to be clean and straightforward, so users can navigate quickly without feeling overwhelmed. All key functions are just a few clicks away, making security management simple and intuitive. Microsoft Defender is a reliable choice if you want to extend your device protection and keep your family's data safer online. At number 2 on our list is AdBlocker Ultimate. This app has a perfect 5.0 star rating and 6 reviews on the Microsoft Store. Its main purpose is to help you take control of your online experience by blocking ads, trackers, and malicious websites across all browsers and apps. Here are 3 standout features of AdBlocker Ultimate. Video and banner ad blocking. Stops intrusive ads so you can browse without interruptions. Privacy protection. Prevents trackers from collecting your personal data while online. Web protection. Safeguards you from malicious websites that could harm your device. Now, let's take a look at the app's interface. When you click on the 3-line hamburger menu in the top corner, you'll see all the main options in a clean, easy-to-navigate layout. In ad blocking, the app shows you what types of ads are currently being blocked, including video ads, pop-ups, and banners. You can also enable or disable ad blocking as needed. Under Privacy Protection, you'll find tools to stop trackers and secure your personal information, giving you clear control over your online privacy. In Web Protection, the app highlights any websites that may be unsafe or potentially harmful, helping you avoid risks while browsing. The interface is simple and intuitive, so all features are easy to access, even for beginners. AdBlocker Ultimate makes online browsing cleaner, safer, and faster with minimal effort. At number 1 on our list is Authenticator App. 2FA. This app has a rating of 4.9 stars and 23 reviews on the Microsoft Store. Its main purpose is to provide highly secure two-factor authentication, helping you protect your online accounts with an extra layer of security. Here are 3 standout features of Authenticator App. 2FA, OTP generation. Quickly generate time-based one-time passwords to secure your accounts. Multi-device sync and backup. Sync your authentication codes across smartphones, tablets, and Windows PC using Google Cloud. Wide compatibility. Supports over 1,000 websites and services that use two-factor authentication. Now, let's take a look at the app's interface. When you click on Settings, you can manage your accounts, set up backups, and configure synchronization options. This section also allows you to view all your connected accounts and generate authentication codes for each one. Everything is clearly labeled, so you can quickly access what you need without confusion. The interface is designed to be simple and secure, allowing users to manage multiple accounts and generate tokens safely with just a few clicks. Authenticator App. 2FA makes securing your online accounts effortless and reliable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful software guides.